Welcome to CAD Concepts. Now you can design floor plan 10x faster in AutoCAD using YQArch Plugin. We will design this floor plan completely automatic. Okay. Here is the step. First we'll draw a complete center line. Then auto wall, automatic dimensions, auto column layout, automatic doors and windows, then auto wall fill, and then furniture layout, and finally outer dimension and text. This technique going to save you a lot of time. Let this center line AX and let this planning, okay, just we'll draw roughly center line, okay, let this 800 unit and here 600 unit we are covering in centimeter, okay, and close this line and take one center line 350 and this area let this here 400 centimeter and let this 120 and trim this part. So this is our just roughly our planning, okay, final. Now let this automatic wall over the center line XWW 20 centimeter, okay, select all, enter. You are getting one time complete auto wall, okay, no need to offset and trim anything here. And then take auto dimensions, double D, double W, inside walls, okay, and go like this. Here, enter, and here, our kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, and here, living and dining, okay. So this is our auto dimension. No need to go one by one. You can place in one time, step to X, step to Y. Let this here, auto column layout, double Z, BZ, and choose column size, okay, 20 by 20, enter, and take 2-point rectangle end to end. So this way you can place column layout. Center line now you can remove simply. Now let this here, auto door, ADT, and size 80 centimeter, pier width corner area, okay, 5 centimeter, okay, and click over the wall. You don't need to place from the block resources or place randomly or manually. Just click over the wall. And here bathroom area will keep 75 centimeter, hole and pier width 75, okay, and click here. Now we'll place here 150 unit dual leaf, okay, let this 150, hole at middle wall, okay, and click over the wall. Now we will place automatic window, AW, hole and pier width 150 centimeter, okay, and click over the wall where you want to place your window. You don't need to place manually like this, just click over the wall, 1, and kitchen here. Bathroom area will keep 80 centimeter, let this hole and pier width, and 80 centimeter, okay, and click here. Our window got perfectly placed. Now we'll place auto wall fill, let this here, WWF, just select all and hit enter. This way you can place auto wall fill. Furniture layout, double J command, and choose bedroom, okay, and take 2-point rectangle. You are getting proper furniture layout. As you see here, TV set, bed, and chest plan. Again, let this here, kitchen, take 2-point rectangle, and place your kitchen furniture. Toilet, okay, and take 2-point rectangle, and place here. And we'll place one dining table, this area, okay. So, just for the reference, I'm placing this small planning. You can make big plan faster, okay. Now, furniture layout completely ready. Let this double DGZ, select all the plan and hit enter 2 times. you will get outer dimension from all the splitting point. If you see, you are getting bigger dimension text. Let this SD, choose 1:5, okay, and select all and hit enter. Now you are getting smaller scale dimension text. Let this text for bedroom and same for bathroom and same for kitchen. Living and dining. This way you can design any kind of complex, simple, big, small, any kind of floor plan faster. This will save you significant of time. So how you can explore these commands effectively that you can utilize in your work process. We have successfully designed this floor plan fully automatic. Let's save a lot of time. Well, if you want to explore these commands comprehensively, you can explore YQArch Command Ultimate Guide, AutoCAD Mastery course. You can check out the link below where we have explained each and every command YQArch plugin that you can effectively utilize in your work frame and you can save a lot of time. Must check out the link below.